The top 8 strange plants that look like something else. It's hard to believe, but if you look at some plants, you will see female lips instead of the usual flower, human skulls, and even genitals. Here are the top 8 incredible plants that look like something else. Number 8. Nepenthes distillatoria. This is a plant predator. It eats small insects. First of all, it is famous for its leaves, which turn into deep traps and take a form that is clearly reminiscent of a male sexual organ. In fact, this plant catches its prey in a deep cavity filled with digestive fluid which flows through the plant. The flower raises the lid or head and, exuding an incredibly fragrant smell, lures its victims inside during its hunting phase. Number 7. Psychotria, or the lips of a harlot. Psychotria is the most seductive flower in the world. It was named the lips of a harlot for its unusual shape and bright red color. The plant has evolved into its current form in order to induce pollination. Hummingbirds and butterflies flock with joy to such beauty. Number 6. The Antirrhinum. Antirrhinum is an annual climbing plant. However, for quite some time, people were afraid of it and believed that it had mystical powers. Its flowers look like the open jaws of a lion when they are disclosed, but when the petals are fading and the seeds fall out of the 3 holes, they are similar in appearance to human skulls. Number 5. White cohosh, or doll's eye. The berries, or doll's eyes, were not so named by chance. Apparently, these white oblong berries are quite reminiscent of a bulging eyeball. The ominous view is a warning, as the plant is very poisonous. Consumption of said eyeballs can immediately paralyze the heart muscle, which can lead to a heart attack and even death. Number 4. The bleeding tooth mushroom. The mushroom caps of Hydnellum pecki can take different forms, but when a red viscous substance starts to flow out of it, the mushrooms can look like bleeding teeth that have been dropped on the ground. In fact, the juice is released from the pores at night, which is accumulated in the roots. They are very similar in appearance to bloody discharges. Number 3. The monkey muzzle orchid. It is not difficult to guess where the monkey orchid got its name. The similarity of this flower to a monkey's muzzle is absolutely indisputable. The scientific name of the plant is Dracula simia. The first part suggests the similarity of the long shoots of the petals with the fangs of the famous vampire of Bram Stoker's novel. The second part of the name is translated from Latin as monkey. Its aroma is strongly reminiscent of the smell of ripe oranges. Number 2. Liana and incredible fetuses. A small liana called the loofah grows in Vietnam and is notable for its incredible fruit that is quite reminiscent of a woman's breast. However, liana belongs to the squash family, and its fruit, in spite of its unusual shape, are actively used by local people as a food. Number 1. The naked man orchid. The flowers of this Italian orchid are very noticeable, but you will only notice and enjoy the beautiful inflorescences from afar, as when you come and take a closer look, you will see that the petals of the Italian orchids are suspiciously similar to the body of a naked human being. It is easy to determine the sex. This is clearly a man. Put likes and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.